Welcome to this video on the Zenwara channel. Today we're going to talk about Vak Siddhi. So Vak Siddhi is the Siddhi power of speech. So it is known as the power where what you utter happens, what you say takes place, what you say will happen in the future happens in the future. Okay, so this is called the Vak Siddhi. And Vak Siddhi works in a way where it is a specific ability that is developed, but it is not the Vak Siddhi itself which makes those things happen in the future. It is the other cities, so the specific abilities and empowerments, so abilities individually and used in combination that are connected to by the ability, by the Vak Siddhi. So the Vak Siddhi is a method of connecting to your various Siddhi powers. Okay, so it is a connecting method. It is a method of activating them, connecting to them, activating them, and directing them. So it is in that way a connecting and directing mechanism, okay, which is done through voice. So a way of utilizing your Siddhi powers. So in this way, Vak Siddhi in itself is not the power that makes things happen, but the power that allows you to connect and utilize your Siddhi powers that make things happen. There is a distinction. So this is Vak Siddhi. And Vak Siddhi can be turned on or off at will, right? When the intent is to utilize one's Siddhi powers or not utilize one's Siddhi powers in a given situation. So in that way, the utilization of Siddhi powers can be directed by Vak Siddhi. One can connect and use one's Siddhi powers with Vak Siddhi. So Vak Siddhi in that way is a control mechanism, right? A control panel which connects to the different Siddhi powers. And as it is in that way a control mechanism, a control panel, a control method to utilize one's Siddhi powers. Now there are other methods of using one's Siddhi powers. As there is the method of using Vak Siddhi, which is the power of voice, the power of speech. Once one has access to that method of activating one's Siddhi powers and utilizing them to ensure a future result, then you also have other methods of doing this without voice. So as there is outwards Vak Siddhi, there is also inner Vak Siddhi, which is the inner voice. So Vak Siddhi is a method of connecting and using one's Siddhi powers as one is gifted Siddhi powers by an Adi Shri system, a dish dispensing system, which according to its culture distributes accordingly the fruits and treasures and foodstuffs of the dishes of Siddhi powers distributed to that culture according to its story and stream and Adi Shri. These are some of the great secrets of Siddhi power. Tek Rasiva Adi Shari Adi Bhagwan